Want glowing skin? Healthy skin without spending a fortune at the spa. Today I will show you the exact easy natural facial at home step by step using just kitchen ingredients. So let's get started. Now the first is to opt out for a cleanser. The first step is to opt out for a cleanser, a mild, gentle cleanser. You can actually use one and make one at home or actually buy from beauty stores. Now the step is like this. If you are going to make one at home, you mix a tablespoon of raw onion with a few drops of green tea. Then after doing that, you then massage deeply onto your face in a circular motion for 1 minute. Then rinse with lukewarm water. Now the purpose of this gentle cleanser is that it helps to remove dirt and excess oil from your skin, especially if you have an oily skin. It's actually great for all skin types. Cleanser is a normal skincare routine, so you can actually make one at home using those natural ingredients, honey and green tea. The step two is exfoliation. Now this exfoliation, you can either do it 2 to 3 times a week depending on your skin type. The next is your steaming. No, most of us, we are all guilty of this. We don't steam our face, and it's actually it's not nice at all. It's this steaming we are talking about. It makes our product work better. It's usually applied after exfoliating our skin, so the products we want to apply will penetrate deeply into our skin, whether moisturizer or sunscreen. So now the process goes like this. You boil water, make sure it's boiled, and you can then add a few mint leaf or green tea. Then you then place your face over the bowl. So when you place your face over the bowl, the green tea or the mint tea will then penetrate deeply into the pores of your skin. Then you cover your head with like a towel and steam it for like about 5 minutes. Note, this helps in opening the pores of your skin so that whatever you apply on your skin after that will penetrate deeply into your skin and it will work faster. Then the next step is your face mask. Face mask is like, you know these white clay marks, that's how it looks like. That's face mask. So you're going to do it like that. You apply a nourishing mask, which is a tablespoon of yogurt with a teaspoon of the turmeric. We all know turmeric, and a teaspoon of honey. Then you leave it for 15 minutes. This brightens and hydrates the skin naturally. After that, you rinse with lukewarm water. You rinse with a cool water, either cold or warm water. So the next step is toning. You apply a toner on your face. This toner helps in closing the pores, so you tone your face. You can use pure rose water as a toner or green tea as a natural toner. So you then apply it with a cotton pad, like with a cotton wool, to close your pores. Then the next step is to moisturize your skin using natural ingredients. You can either use aloe vera gel, which is a natural ingredient. You can get it naturally from stores or wherever. You can pluck it from leaves, or almond oil, jojoba oil, or rosehip oil, or grapeseed oil. Then after doing that, you gently massage into your skin. So that's it. Those are the steps for a natural facial homemade facial skincare. So that is it. Those are the complete 100% complete steps you can actually try at home if you don't want to buy products from chemicals from beauty stores or whatever. You can repeat this particular routine once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, depending on how you want it, or particularly maybe you have a you get product from beauty store, you don't use natural, you can actually try it once a week. So now do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple skincare tips. See you next time. Bye.